The shoe store for men sold 8 pairs of shoes. The shoe sizes sold were 8.5, 10.5, 9, 10.5, 7, 6, 10, and 10.5. Calculate the mean of the shoe sizes. Calculate the mean of the shoe sizes. Indeed, in order for us to find the mean, that is the average. And so what we have to do is we have to add all of the data values that we have. We have 8.5, which is 8.5, 10.5, which is 10.5, 9, then we have 10.5, which is 10.5 again, 7, 6, 10, and 10.5, which is 10.5. When we add all of them, what is our result? When we add all of them, we get 72, and we have to divide it by 8 because there are 8 pairs of shoes. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 data values. So we're going to divide it by 8. So we have 72 divided by 8, and 72 divided by 8 is definitely 9. And so that means that the mean of the shoe sizes is 9. Next, we need to calculate the median shoe size. In order for us to calculate the median shoe size, we're going to list the shoe sizes from least to greatest. So we have 6, and 7, then 8.5, then 9, then 10, then 10.5, 10.5, and 10.5. Notice that this 6 goes with this 10.5, this 7 goes with this 10.5, the 8.5 goes with the 10.5, and so we are left with just 2 numbers in the middle. And if we have 2 numbers in the middle, when we're trying to find the median, we're going to add those 2 numbers, 9 and 10, and then we're going to divide it by 2. Now 9 plus 10 is definitely 19, and then we're going to divide 19 by 2, and 19 divided by 2 is definitely 9.5. And so that means that the median is 9.5. Let's move on to the next question. It says, write down the modal shoe size. Now the mode is the number that appears the most. The mode is the number that appears the most popular value in the data set. And so that means that the modal shoe size is going to be the most popular shoe size, the most popular value inside of this data set. And so we have 10.5 is the modal shoe size because it is the one that appears the most. We have 10.5 here, here, and here. It appears 3 times, and it appears the most out of all of the shoe sizes. And so that means that the modal shoe size is 10.5. Next, the question says, write down the measurement that is most useful to the store manager. So which measurement is most useful to the store manager? The modal shoe size, which is 10.5, is the measurement that is most useful to the store manager. Knowing the mode, which is the most frequently sold shoe sizes, helps the store manager stock the most popular shoe sizes. And this ensures that they meet the customer demand and avoid running out of sizes that sell the most. So it is important that the manager know the modal shoe size. And so that brings us to the end of this part.